Hello, dear students. Welcome to our English class. The topic of today is Around Us, Our Wonderful World. Have a look on this photo. What does this bring to your mind? Do you know anything about it? Yes, it's Santorini. When you look at it, I have some questions about you. Where do you go on holiday? What do you do there? What is this place famous for? Yes, you are right. It's famous for many museums, it's famous for black sandy beaches, and it's famous for beautiful sunsets. Let's read the text and find out more about it. Hello from Santorini, Greece. It's hot and sandy here. There are so many things to do here. You can visit the many museums, go to the black sandy beaches, watch one of the most beautiful sunsets in the world, or take a boat tour to the volcano and hot springs. I went on a boat tour yesterday and it was amazing. Right now I'm writing to you from Akrotiri. Some people believe that this is the lost city of Atlantis. There is also a beach with red sand here. Go to know now. Lots of love, Danielle. In order to understand if you comprehended the text, we have to do some exercises about it. The first one is correct the mistakes. There are some sentences about Santorini, and you have to find out the mistakes in it. It is hot and cloudy in Santorini. It's something wrong here because it's hot and sunny in Santorini. You can visit many museums, go to the white sandy beaches in Santorini. It's something wrong here again. You can visit many museums and go to white sandy beaches in Santorini. You can take a ferry tour to the volcano and hot springs in Santorini. Some people believe that Akrotiri is the new city of Atlantis. It is wrong because some people believe that Akrotiri is the lost city of Santorini. Here are the sentences with the corrections done. Now we have to do some other questions in order to understand your comprehension about the text. Let's read the first one and find out. What's the weather like in Santorini? Yes, it's hot and sunny. What is Santorini famous for? It's famous for its many museums, black sandy beaches, and beautiful sunsets. What can you do there? You can take a boat tour to the volcano and hot springs. What do some people believe about Akrotiri? Some people believe that Akrotiri is the lost city of Atlantis. Okay, in order to understand better the text, we have to explain even the new words in this text. Let's start explaining them one by one. Hot, having a notably high temperature. Sunny, when the weather is good and the sun shines. Sandy beach, the surface covered with sand by the sea. Sunset, the time from when the sun begins to set to the onset of total darkness. Boat tour, when you visit different places traveling by boat. Volcano, potentially explosive place. Hot spring, a spring of natural hot power. Sand, a loose granular substance typically yellow found by the sea or desert. Tourist attraction, a very beautiful place visited by tourists. Forest, an area covered by trees and shrubs. Connect, to put or bring together so as to form a new and longer whole. Waterfall, a cascade of water falling from a great height. Now, think. This is your creative section. You have to think for some minutes, where would you like to be right now? In order to help you with some ideas, I will ask you some questions in order that you have some ideas about generating your imagination regarding your place where you would like to be. In which place are you? One of you might want to be in Santorini with his family. What are you doing? Maybe we are watching a beautiful sunset. How are you feeling? Maybe some of you might say, I feel happy and relaxed. And what can you see and smell there? Someone else might say, I can see the beautiful colors in the sky and smell the sea breeze. Okay. Now, can we summarize shortly what we discussed about Santorini? Yes, it's a beautiful island. It's hot and sunny there. It's famous for its sandy beaches and beautiful sunsets. You can take a boat tour to the volcano and hot springs. As you might have noticed, we have encountered even some expressions during reading the text. Let's fill the gaps by one of these words in order to form the expressions learned. Homework. You have to write a short text about your favorite place. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.